Hey everyone, my name is Ashton and I'm a senior in the Bachelor's of Public Health program. Welcome to a day in my life with the UF Health GatorCare Wellness Team, where I'm currently interning. The wellness team always opts for the stairs, which is where I ran into our wellness manager, Mallory. The first thing on my agenda is always coffee. Then I head to my desk to get settled in to start the day. I say hello to a few of my amazing coworkers and then checked a couple emails and finally looked over my calendar for the week. We then headed downstairs to film a video of us demonstrating team bonding games so that UF and UF Health employees can use these games within their department. This is just an example of several wellness programs that GatorCare has to offer. After that, we went on our daily walk around the building. It was very hot today in Gainesville. Here's a look at some of the programs that I've developed during my time here at GatorCare. It ranges from social wellness to a GatorCare bucket list of all of our programs. In the afternoon, we found out that the wellness team won gold for the Wellness Council of America. We were treated with an edible arrangement, which was delicious. Then I worked on a survey for my lunch and learned that I'm leading next Friday. After that, it was time to pick up a couple items for our cultural cuisine potluck that we're hosting tomorrow. Before I knew it, it was time to head home for the day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.